Oh, it was about 15 to 20 years old, and there was a little bit of mold here and there, and it was time to get it done. I was pretty much expecting just what I got, a brand new bathroom that looks great. From the floor to the ceiling, and the grab bars, and a different shower head, new toilet, vanity, sink, shelving, exhaust fan light, the whole works. I love it, yeah. I had no problem. The guys that were in here, everybody stopped by, were really friendly. So it was good. Getting the panels from the floor to the ceiling, getting rid of the tub so I wouldn't have to fall getting over it, and with sliders, and it worked great.